Hi everyone, today I want to share with you how to place text behind a person using Capcut. Before you start to edit the video, the first thing you need to do is to make sure the free layer here is on. Now let's drag the video into the timeline. Now I want to place the text above this video clip. Click text and select the text you want. Edit the text here. The size of the text can be adjusted. But right now the text is on top of my face, so we need to go back to media. Now let's drag this video clip, the same video clip, and put it on top of the text. The next step is to select this video clip and go to Video, select Cutout and select Auto Cutout. And Capcut may take a few seconds to remove the background. Select the text and you can adjust the position. You can also add animation to the text. Select the text and click Animation.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.